Guys, haven't made a video in a fucking minute, so I'm just gonna take apart my quad and fix it up, because she's kind of clapped right now because my brother keeps on running into me with the 200X right there. Guess first we got to take the fucking front bumper off. I already have the front bolts out of the front, so the top. Actually, man, this fucking thing. Goddamn Lego. We gotta deal with this for now, I guess. She's not fucking working, guys. She's not working the best. Oh, fuck. That will do the job, I think. As you can see, it doesn't want to do its job. So, let me go get a different fucking wrench, I guess. Oh. I should just be using the auto ratchet. But I'm a real man, so. Looser than shit, man. So, this thing's about to fucking fall on my fucking face. So, hope to God it doesn't fall on my face. Well, it probably will, so it's okay. There's one. She's tight. She is tight. Shit. Don't know what to do about that. Fuck. She's tighter than dog shit on there, man. But this is about to fall. Oh, maybe not. Okay, so we got this. And then we gotta cut the zip tie to hold the whole fucking thing on. That was a waste of 2 zip ties, but it's okay. If I can cut them. It's not a waste of 2 zip ties yet. Ow. There we go, guys. Okay, so we got that off. Front bumper down there. That right there. Don't want to lose these bolts because you cannot get them. Sorry guys, but I lost a bolt, so. There we go. Found it. Put them back in place. Loosely. There we go. Okay, there we go. We got this. Need to go back in fucking place. I don't know how that fell out of there, but I don't really care right now, so now I gotta take these off and I'll loosen them for you guys. Yeah, I'm tight because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so guys, now we gotta take them out with the socket. Trying to do this fastest so I can. I got that one out, guys. I accidentally fucking paused my phone, or shut my fucking phone off. I don't know. Support me, guys. I need to get my ass a fucking GoPro so I can make higher, better content. Juicy Christmas type shit. Get that off. Get these, put them in my pocket real quick. Get this. Put that back down. Get a screwdriver, unscrew that. Do it real quick. Shit, guys. This ain't going my way. And it's fucking raining now. If you guys didn't know, this is Timberwolf 350. 82. She's an old girl, but the diff's about to blow too, so it's always nice. Always nice to know that the diff's gonna blow. You got that shit all apart. All apart, motherfuckers. Then you gotta take the choke off. Be careful doing this because you cannot buy these. And no one probably gives a fuck, so. Do that right here. And just take it off. I gotta still get one more thing out, but get these. Probably can't see, but just take them off. Just took these out of my fender. Then I gotta put them back in because I'm not trying to fucking lose everything. There's that. Then what the hell? There we go. And you gotta push the choke through like that. Like about a without, and then cover it nigga. And it just slides right the fuck off. Then got it off. Might want to clean that before I work on it, but see that right there. I see what happened. It just got cut off. Probably have to plastic weld that, but yes. That. Then probably have my brother help me do the brakes because I cannot do that. Then I'll have my dad get me some more bolts. Just yeah, shit all cleaned up and ready to spray paint it a little bit, and then got that cleaned. Spray painting this so it looks better, but yes, this will bump the price up to like $1 million after this. $2 spray paint. You know what? If you know on the bike, she stinks, but she's worth it, man. It is fucking worth it. Might almost paint these black too. It's too much work to take them off, I think. Yeah, I gotta get a wrench in there. But probably, I'm not fucking trying to spray paint the whole thing like C&H did to theirs, but This one's pretty shabby, or pretty fucking chubby, Baba Jaws, nigga. Get a new starter for it. That's an easy fix, but 30-something bucks, I think. Airbox cap, and look at that's gas. Fuck, man. ORV's on it, and then just waiting for that. Then I might torch the plastic a little bit more, but see you guys in the next clip. Shit all fucking spray painted what was rusty. She'd be looking good though, man. So we got the back cleaned off. I'm probably gonna spray paint maybe a little bit of this, and then spray paint my back rack and maybe probably this, and not my muffler, but could. But slide in the comments because this thing is really easy to take apart. And then fuck, she's fucking got this cleaned, I guess. That's it. I'm fucking cleaning shit. The sunset's playing like beer, 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 beer. But this thing's fucking mint, bro. She's like fucking give it a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hollow band, bitch. Bet your fucking Honda Civic ain't got that. Yeah, nigga. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, daddy. She has to talk now. But you know what it does have? Maybe it stopped for the fucking YouTube, but maybe she didn't. Yeah, she stopped for fucking YouTube, alright. Guess I gotta fucking push the shit back up. Big Daddy Timberwolf. Bill, 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 Bill. She done, bitch. Guess that's the end of the fucking video. Might just make, oh my fucking god. Forgot. It's okay. Probably that tree what I ran over there, but guess I'll spray paint it up. Then gotta put that shit back on, but that'll be another day, so guess that's the end of my video. Comment if I should paint my exhaust black or keep it how it is. See you guys.